Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Park Avenue Voyage, only way. Start by listening to the full track to identify its main sections and recurring motifs. Focus on the tempo and key center so your parts sit well. Use simple layers first, then gradually add embellishments and effects. Keep dynamics gentle and purposeful to preserve the track's atmosphere and momentum throughout. Begin by labeling the track sections and noting where energy rises or falls, then match your parts to those shifts. Assign roles to each instrument so the mix stays clear and balanced. When automating effects, emphasize transitions rather than constant modulation. Record multiple takes to choose the best phrasing and timing. Small adjustments to dynamics and EQ will make your layers feel cohesive and professional. Quick recommendation: if you spend time driving between gigs or sessions, grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep the car smelling great and focused. It pairs well with long commutes, late-night edits, or road tests of mixes and adds a small mood boost. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like to help support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work through the track section by section, starting with a foundational part and locking rhythm elements together. Add melodic phrases sparingly and vary them across repeats to maintain interest. Use automation to introduce movement, like filter sweeps or reverb increases at key moments. Keep edits clean and purposeful, and test your arrangement on different speakers to ensure balance. Move slowly and listen closely to keep the track feeling natural.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.